Today we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage, Bakelite. First 1 to 3 questions are to complete a summary. And instructions are to use only one word for each answer. Some plastics behave in a similar way too. कुछ प्लास्टिक किसी की तरह काम करते हैं. The term plastic comes from the Greek plis saying, meaning to mold. Some plastic are derived from natural sources, some are semi-synthetic, the result of chemical action on a natural substance, and some are entirely synthetic, that is chemically engineered from the constituents of coal or oil. Some are thermoplastic, which means that like candle wax के जैसा. तो इसका आंसर होगा candle wax. Next, Bakelite was unique because it was the first material to be both entirely dash in origin and thermosetting. Bakelite इसलिए यूनिक था क्योंकि वो पूरी तरह से कुछ था अपने ओरिजिन और थर्मोसेटिंग में. Bakelite had the distinction of being the first totally synthetic thermosetting plastic, so its answer is synthetic. Next question is, there were several reasons for the research into plastics in the 19th century, among them the great advances that had been made in the field of dash and the search for alternatives to natural resources like ivory. Great advancement किस field में हुई थी? The impetus behind the development of these early plastics was generated by a number of factors, immense technological progress in the domain of chemistry, so इसका answer chemistry होगा. Next 4 to 8 questions are to complete a flow chart. Here also we have to use single word, the production of Bakelite. Firstly, phenol and formaldehyde are combined under vacuum, then stage 1 resin, called dash. The original patent outlined a 3-stage process, in which phenol and formaldehyde from wood or coal were initially combined under vacuum inside a large egg-shaped kettle. The result was a resin known as Novolic, so Novolic is the answer. Next question is, example are given, cotton and asbestos, जिसके ये examples है, वो इसका answer होगा. Other substances were then introduced, including fees, such as wood flour, asbestos or cotton, तो इसका answer है fillers. Next is, ammonia and formaldehyde are together at the dash. Catalyst substances to speed up the reaction between two chemicals without joining to either, and hexa, a compound of ammonia and formaldehyde, so इसका answer hexa है. Next stage 2 resin, then cool until hardened, then break up and grind into powder, then dash Bakelite. This resin was then left to cool and harden, and ground up a second time. The resulting granular powder was raw Bakelite, तो इसका answer raw होगा. Next question is, then heat, then pour into mold, then apply intense heat and dash. In the last stage, the heated Bakelite was poured into hollow mold of the required shape and subjected to extreme heat and pressure, so its answer is pressure. Next 9 and 10 are, which two of the following factors influencing the design of Bakelite objects are mentioned in the text? Bakelite के डिजाइन को इन्फ्लुएंस करने वाले कौन से दो फैक्टर्स दिए गए हैं? इसका आंसर B and C है. एक है B, the ease with which the resin could fill the mold, resin को किस आसानी से मोल्ड में फिल किया जा सकता है. दूसरा है C, the facility with which the object could be removed from the mold. मोल्ड में से ऑब्जेक्ट को रिमूव करने की फैसिलिटी. The design of Bakelite objects, everything from earrings to television sets, was governed to a large extent by technical requirements of the molding process. The objects could not be designed so that it was locked into the mold and therefore difficult to extract. मतलब इसका डिजाइन ऐसा नहीं कि ऑब्जेक्ट मोल्ड में लॉक हो जाए और निकलना मुश्किल हो. Next answer, a common general rule was that objects should taper towards the deepest part of the mold, and if necessary, the product was molded in separate pieces. मतलब आसानी से मोल्ड में डाल भी सकते हैं और निकाल भी सकते हैं. Next 11 to 13 questions are true, false and not given. First question is, modern day plastic preparation is based on the same principles as that patented in 1907. जो प्रिंसिपल 1907 में पेटेंट किया गया था, मॉडर्न प्लास्टिक की प्रिपरेशन उसी पे बेस्ड होती है. इसका आंसर ट्रू है. On the 13th of July 1907, Baekeland took out his famous patent describing this preparation, the essential features of which are still in use today, आज भी यूज में है. Next question is, Bakelite was immediately welcomed as a practical and versatile material. बेकलाइट को तुरंत ही प्रैक्टिकल एंड वर्सेटाइल मटेरियल के रूप में स्वीकार कर लिया गया था। इसका आंसर फॉल्स है। बीकलैंड्स इन्वेंशन, although treated with disdain in its early years. Disdain का मतलब उसे यूजफुल ना समझना, went on to enjoy an unparalleled popularity which lasted throughout the first half of the 20th century. बाद में उसे सफलता मिली, तो तुरंत नहीं हुआ था। Next question is, Bakelite was only available in a limited range of color. Bakelite सिर्फ limited colors में उपलब्ध था। इसका आंसर भी false है। Electrical manufacturers seized on its insulating properties, and consumers everywhere relished its dazzling array of shades. Array of shades का मतलब बहुत सारे colors, तो इसका आंसर false होगा। I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel.